Man, y'all, I got to my charts late today. This joint just dropping, just dropping. What the heck? Hold on, I didn't even do my. Guys, we're all out of wonkers today. I don't even know. Might actually end this stream early because man. Shit, let's just keep doing my levels quick. That kind of falls in line with that trend.
You're in the room.
I'm live right now.
Oh.
What he said? He can talk to me. I'm just letting him know.
Don't say no dumb shit.
I said, did you sell?
No, bro. I came to my charts late, bro, and I forgot to set them up last night. So while I'm setting up levels, I just saw the dump, and I was like, wow.
Yeah, I will say I was 45 contracts deep in a buy in it as it reversed. So I blew that account. So then I was like, okay, let me reset it to my last reset and let me lock in. And then I just sold and caught it to that low and made 750.
Oh, nice.
I would say I think it's going to reverse now.
I will be patient today because that was quite a move.
Hey, bro, go to the gym though, so you could call his phone or.
Yeah, okay. No, you got church.
Bet. Come on later.
I gotta be patient today, people. I wish this was more entertaining for y'all right now, but hey. All right. I typically like to trade after 10 anyway, so I'm not mad. I'm just see, like, I don't even have my levels right on these charts right now. It's kind of annoying. I'll just do my hourly levels on the yes because we don't care like that right now. Oh my. This was some crazy SMT work. Boy, I wish I came to the charts earlier. I really do. Sorry for the sniffles, y'all. If you're rewatching it, sorry for the sniffles. I got allergies. So they're just kicking in right now. Wow, yeah. If we hold below Asia low for 10 o'clock, I'm holding for shorts, or I'm gonna take shorts probably. You good?
Okay, that's another thing.
Why do you know that? It's probably Jet.
He's up.
It's Jet. All it takes is a phone click. But I still can't see who's in there.
But I
That's
didn't
annoying.
understand that cable thing. Because when you put it on my ankle, you know, like this, it just
What are you talking about?
unrolled
What are you talking about?
by the machine.
There's a thing with Velcro that you can strap. It won't unroll.
This is the is it this right?
It's just
One
a
side
Velcro.
is Velcro.
Then you just put it down backwards.
Mm-hmm.
When I say you put it down backwards,
Oh, you got to put it down.
the Velcro guy is strapped to it.
Mm-hmm.
Like I just used it this morning. If you put a Velcro on when you put it down, it's not moving. I promise you.
So the Velcro got to be on the inside.
Yeah, so you can like stick it down. Just if it slip off and it don't stick, just flip it around. How you gonna see?
Yeah.
Oh, we got 2 people in here now.
Yeah.
Y'all comment. I can't see who's watching, so I have no idea who you guys are. So let me comment, man.
Welcome to Great.
Oh, it's almost 10 guys. All right, are we gonna get the trade that I want? Are we gonna get the trade that I want? I have like 30 screens going on right now, guys. So please forgive me if you can't see like everything I'm doing. But I'm showing you like for the most part this. Just doing some high time frame analysis on my other screens. To go up again, we should. Establish. Ooh, that's quite the push. I'm gonna take it to that low, probably. Oh, we got 3 people here now. Oh, you waiting to get to ES? ES. Yeah. What you trying to go longs or shorts? Talk to me. Mm-mm-mm. Would be a good spot to reverse. Now we're in the value ranges. I'm gonna be short. Yeah. I'm short too right now, but I hate trading next to the previous day's value area point of control for like a volume profile. And we about to dig up in there right now. That's where I have this here at this little goal line. So I'm gonna see. We're gonna see what happens in there. Oh, we got 3 people now. Yeah, we turn it up. The 2 other people need a comment. My fault, y'all. I gotta get some socks. It's a little cold. I need some socks. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna be patient with this one because I typically hate to try and look for trades after like a good move of the day. Not saying this is the full complete move of the day because for sure would move more, but like that one for my strategy. I like ICT stuff. Is off this 5 minute gap up here after market open, first presented after market open. I would have took that, dumped right to Asia low. So not bad. And we reject previous day value low. So I'm a little hesitant about the shorts, but boy, I also have bookmap on the side here. We have some resting sellers above, so we should be Gucci still. I don't know about ES like that though. I mean, I kind of watch ES sometimes. I can't lie. I don't really watch it on bookmap as much, but it looks similar. And that trickle up all night, yeah. I'm gonna go with the shorts, man. I'm gonna go with the shorters today. I'm gonna go with the shorters today. I need a jacket. It's getting a little cold. Oh, we don't have to. You wouldn't believe what I had in my sales. Do I play music while we do this? I don't know how YouTube Live feels about that. Like, I'm a music guy, so I wouldn't mind playing music. I also don't know if y'all will be able to hear the music that well. No, I can figure it out. But oh yeah, get up in there. Get up in there. Oh, we have news at 10 too. Forgot about that. Oh, I look like a hooligan. Sorry, y'all. That's how I chill though most of the time with the hoodie up. Once I get a little more like, a little more people in here and everybody are more familiar with my lives, I'll put the hoodie up. But right now we gotta look as approachable as possible. Like when you first meet a person, you gotta look approachable sometimes, man. Play music. What type of music we like? You'd have to tell me if you could hear it too, because honestly, I don't know if we'll be able to hear it. So let's see. You gotta let me know what type of. How do I say your name? Matrice. Matrice. I apologize if I pronounced that wrong, but I also have a pretty unique name, Kajana. So, hey, we're like brothers. But I'm looking for music. I promise. This is what I like. I'll play a song I like right now. This gets me out. Shout out Ladil. Let me know. Oh, you from St. Thomas? Man, my bad. I didn't even know. And let me know if you can hear this. See, now I could just fling out the accent, it's a little, Can you hear it? Let me know if you can hear the music too, because I really don't know. Yeah. If you have any requests, let me know too, because this is just my music. the right way. I hope, I really pray this is like no copyright stuff. You know? Can you hear me good too? Hopefully it's not like too much. But yeah, I hope I get no copyright problems. But I like to, you know, we ask for forgiveness. So if it's problems, we'll just fix it later. Somebody had to say it. What the fuck been deal been that? For affecting my muddy spread. Just say the spread. The scam. Have man. That go getter. Yeah, hold it. I promise I'm not a hooligan either. I just the energy. The energy. I like to get in that mode. I'm gonna end this shit off the right way. Just watch it like I. Oh, you know what I wouldn't get copyrighted on though? Yeah, I gotta put y'all on quick. I wouldn't get copyrighted because I own the copyrights. Okay. I may have messed that up because I don't have my music hard drive plugged in right now. Can't plug it in like that. Nicely done. All right. I'm just waiting for this 15-minute gap to get tested, honestly. Sometimes it takes patience. Yeah, I found it though. I don't know if it should be clean. Fuck the clean version right now. This your boy. Training shit. Trending topic. Taking ain't no joke. I still learn to love it. I didn't get no payout yet, but I know my time coming. Broke as fuck. I had to go and take. Oh, we in the gap. We in the gap. Turn up 52 on band. Like what else? Do it tile in my pajamas. I don't need no pants. Green is all I see. Have to stop the last. Nigga, I just snuck TP. I just made a wrong stack and it ain't even 12. Look up to the skies, I know I do it by myself. My life looking bullish, I can't even bullshit. The trend so clean, I got haters a buying. Yeah, my boy. If you ain't winning, you know it's your fault. You ain't taking no risk, you ain't getting no reward. You ain't have discipline, you ain't making it far. Just after this training shit now, I have. Oh, ES got a 15-minute gap too. Learning trading ain't no joke, but I still learn to love it. I didn't get no payout yet, but I know my time coming. Broke as fuck, I had to go and take a risk. Yeah. This ES? I tried to scratch that off the list. Yeah. Hold on. Turn a 50 to a bag, like what else look like this? I don't know how loud that is. ES is in that gap too, though. This ES here. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. We don't get FOMO. Wait for pullbacks, then we go. Pullback, then we go. Oh, I am my order flow. Flow state. Life is great. Order fill. Training shit, now I am trending topic. Got no problem taking loss, but I like taking profit. Learning trading ain't no joke, but I still learn to love it. I didn't get no payout yet, but I know my time coming. Broke as fuck. I had to go and take a risk. Rich as fuck. I try to scratch that top of the list. Turn a 50 to a band, like what else flip like this? Do it tile in my pajamas, I don't need no pills. All right, so I do like the fact that we're not making like no 5-minute gaps or nothing. So I'm cool with that. But I like speed behind my plays too. So I'm hoping we get some speed to pick up soon. And if it doesn't, You know what? Just because I don't know any copyright issues right now, and I'm gonna look it up later, I would just be playing my music because I am an artist as well, and I'm taking a little break just to focus on trading. But when I come back on this music, y'all, just remember the name because I ain't finna play with nobody. I'm finna just go up. But yeah, the rest of this is my music, different styles, different tastes. You from St. Thomas, so you go. Some of them get calypso, soca, bram, all that in it. So let me know if I need to turn it down, turn it up. Like I don't really know, you know. That is not your place. Ooh, yeah. Inside, playing work, purge out, bad habits, go berserk. For a while, I'm alert. Ooh, oh yeah, we getting to the sellers. We getting to the sellers. Getting to the sellers. I am not the type. I still got me trigger eyes. You like to cuss in my songs. He a little bitch ass nigga. Stay home if I have to choose. Niggas give me trusted shoes. This is the first to stab your back. Be your own. They never made it equal. I try to tell them right now that these niggas come from a different club. Hey, do what it takes to win. Hey, I cannot take a loss. Hey, but I gotta show you niggas. Damn, this just went long. Nigga twerk, nigga doing a lot of barking. You ain't got no bite. I am not your type. I still got me trigger. You a little bitch right there. Yo, Husky, what's good? What's good? I thought you was. Oh wait, it's past 10. All right, I thought you was on the wolf hunting trip. I was about to say. Stuck in there for life. Soon, Husky. Soon. This ain't gonna just be regular trading. We just gonna be cooking these niggas back. Cooking them. Oh, there's an hourly coming to. Oh, let me show my screen because I've been doing it on another screen. Now I'm guessing it's this John Ski. Where's my square? Oh, don't even tell me it's this, cause now that would be gas. Oh yeah, I didn't mean to do that. Why can't I use TradingView right now? All right. Great background. That's all I wanted. Whoa, this is not my song. I'm sorry. I figured it'd just play my music. Maybe I have to play it like this. Yeah, I don't know. This is my song now, though. But 5 a.m. Damn, Husky, you're a trooper. I don't even know what time do you go to sleep to be doing that type shit. But Husky, talk to me too. Like that was the right zone. I don't know if you see me placed it, but this the idea here. I speak to my mother, cause I'll take it if that's what you say. I'll take it. Right, okay, maybe not TP that far, but if that's what you saying. I'll take it. You feel me? Different pilot. She make no mistake, holding faith, bacchanal, Bamzi, it'll correlate. Show that ponytail. Low-key sneak ahead. Ooh, it looks like it. I don't mind it when you twerk. See, Husky, I don't really know the intricacies yet, because I put it on that. Matter of fact, let me just see. We could take a little we could take a little some low risk. Ooh, 5 contracts. We ain't do all that. Ooh, that ain't too bad. How I'm looking? Let's see. I risk a little higher now. But like, if we really finna just do that, you feel me? Why not do that? You feel me? I don't know if I have the balls yet, Husky, though, because this looks ridiculous. Not ridiculous, but actually, Husky. Husky, I might take this play. Okay. I'll leave it alone and wait for my signals for now. But trust me, I'm ready to go dumb. I'm ready. I'm ready to just. I don't trade like y'all see that my boy Husky. Y'all gonna see him more, but this is how he set his plays up sometimes. He just knows. I ain't like that yet. I ain't even gonna fake it like I am. I wait for my confirmations, my change state of delivery, inverse fair value gaps. I wait for my basic ICT stuff, you know. But Husky got me soon. You believe I was the one. They told me run, and now my time is done. Take that trip down. This is like, I don't like these change of states delivery. But one little candle right here, I don't really like that. Because technically we'd wait for that, but that's not really like a, like a real down. I mean, it's a low, That's still a higher low, so I don't believe it yet. Last 306 I was trying to trade. Oh, go 1 micro? All right, I can fuck with that. And 300 going a laptop with the woods is crazy. I still believe you could do it. I can't lie to you. $23? Yeah, that ain't shit, Husky. We could do that. I'm with it. I hope you see I'm with it. The only problem is I really could just take my normal trade that I normally would look for with full risk and make a little more than this. But hey, I ain't mad. Ooh, 46. I might chill. Nah, Husky, we could go 2. We could go 2. I'm okay with that. Because honestly, $46 is an eval, remember, too. We not caring as much. One too many. Matrice, you still in, yeah? We running that little bram for the people them. Drop it to the ground. You all hear that? Doesn't that just make... Do I have to turn this one up? Doesn't this make you just want... Tuba? I believe we're in this 5-minute gap right now. This is why it's playing around, but... I didn't even touch the gap. Hold on, I'm about to mark this because, like, you tripping. I'm looking. Oh. You on a separate path. Every year's moving too fast. It's 1 minute you up, next second you don't. I'm gonna be singing, guys. I'm sorry. I can't even help it. Like, it's just me. Yo, we gonna have to get my YouTube settings on point. 5 to 1 minimum. Oh yeah, see, I wasn't even, my TP was just wherever. 5 to 1. Well, if I could take it to this 5-minute gap, bro, that'd be kind of turnt. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But see, my plan, my original trade is to go shorter than this, or like, go farther short. So like, if this is the entry for that, for the top of my wick, you'd be cooking with me with my strategy too. But I'm gonna admit that if this candle does what I need, this would be the entry. What's going on though? I'm looking for something, something. I'm searching. I'm learning, ain't no fronting. I'm lurking for the one that's perfect for me. But yeah, I need my setting. Let me know if you want more of the things I sent you. She's all right, bet. All right, bet. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna shoot that far though. I'm thinking like one of these loads around here somewhere. Because if it's really off of $46 risk, be cooking. Likely, if I get the feeling you're the one, I'm sure you might be. Love, love, love. Funny thing is, I don't even know if I'm gonna count this. I'm gonna wait for more. I don't even care. I'm gonna wait for more confirmation because this whole change of state right here, I do not care for. Like, that doesn't even look like it did it actually. Oh, I keep doing stuff on the other computer and I forget y'all can't see that. So let me do it on this one. So that kind of did technically, but I'm gonna wait. This usually be my problem. I should just enter right now, being that that's my strategy. But if we could get to that zone, Husky, I'd look at that. I'd look at that. I love that. I should plan on the risk for trade. Okay. Okay. That's funny, bro. I like that one. What's the best? Everybody can see it, but what's the best thing that can happen? What's the most likely thing and what's the worst thing? I like that. I'm not even gonna lie. And the best thing that could happen, I risk everything and hit for 10 bat. No, I'm playing. But yeah, most likely to happen. I'm not gonna lie though. Looking at this zone, like it looks very clear now. Oh, I keep doing it on the wrong screen. Hold on, yeah. And this account on my left is Blueberry. I try and trade on both, but for a retrace for shorts, right here as like an order block, yeah, I believe that. I believe that. I had to go. You lucky I ain't test more because I'd have put more on it. As a VI man, not to debate. Cruise and farm, fat looking play. Juve ram, still looking. With a fresh pair of J's, I'm like, see. Bam, I don't even know my words like that. That's terrible. Every day I hustle, but still like the time and peace. People telling lies, I don't play around with it. Yo, I didn't even eat breakfast yet, yo. Usually I have, this is my tea, but usually I have like some eggs, some bacon. Yeah, bless up. Now this that VI. I like this one, yeah. This is my John. And the video in the water and all that, crazy. You know what it takes to win. To get from the day with a life that I live. Looking like a dam with a fresh pair of J's on my feet. Cup of cushion and the beach. Wow, this is a very, very, very patient day for me. Looking like a dam with a fresh pair of J's on my feet. Cup of cushion and the beach. Spark up, cool and ease. Every day hustle. But still like my time and peace. But still like my time and peace. Yo, we got 5 people in here now? Oh, we cooking. Who else in here? Comment. I can't see shit. I don't know who looking. I don't know who watching. Show some love. I like to talk to people, and I can't see y'all. I know Husky might be in here. My boy, Matrice might be in here. But that's all I know. And it's supposed to have 3 more people show face. Easy, Tito. And give me your space. Oh, nah, the music? Our music go perfect for the trading vibe. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't know how I know. Ooh, ooh. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Is Husky gonna make KJ the GOAT today? Dump from there. I ain't even gonna lie. I think he watches like a higher time frame too. So far, y'all see why Husky like that. Y'all see why. Oh, okay, hold on. I was about to get hype already. If we get cooked, it's okay, y'all. $46 risk. Yeah. I was about to say, no way, right? At the end of the day, this doesn't work. I'm willing to take one more trade though, because that wasn't. I risked 200, 300 per trade on evals. I risk 400 or 500, and I'm not even doing that. So like, this is not too much for me. Can I use you to the side? No. So I gotta tear some things before I provide. A feeling I cannot deny. Yeah. Back up a little bit. That give me some space. Most of these niggas be copy and paste. Oh, this shit lines up well with Bookmap though, Husky. I don't know if you still tapped in, but PO3. Oh, my treat. I'm so sorry. See, now this is YouTube's. I gotta work on my YouTube because I can't even see the profile picture well, so I can't even like really see. But I apologize so much. I'm not even that type of person to be messing stuff up like that. You feel me? Wait, Husky, you said exit? Husky. But yeah, Z baby, I do PO3 strategy. This was not that, however, yet. I had to wait for a little more. I mean, honestly, if I get this inverse, I'm jumping in. I can't lie to y'all. But as of right now, Husky, if it just dumps from here, I'm gonna be mad. Get out closer above daily. Or let me see what that shit at. In the mail. What the hell you use like popping and cool? I know right. Get out closer to daily high. You meant previous day or that's right here? I don't know if I'm registering what you're saying, to be honest. But it could be could be me. This day, yesterday. So why would I play with you, girl? Life too fast. We don't got time for that. You be annoyed, girl. You don't have to act. But I gotta keep making money. And you're right with that. We might go through. Hope we learn something new. General chat. For you. Oh, you was talking about for the exit of it. Hold on, I think I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Oh, okay. So, wow. Honestly, being that this is the zone 2 Husky, but I so much love it. I've been doing that was like Monday's high, right? Husky, Monday's high. Yeah, that looked about right. Cause the best fits me. I think your hair down the road, you should come home with me. Sweet day. I can't lie, this is my strategy, so I'll be taking this trade. Husky, that was a good call. I can't lie to you, bro. How much is 232? I'm down just to see if you're there for me. Not the worst. No, we both coming in first. So take a look. Could you be my nerves? I don't know. So 2-1, I could do that. Do we have any other targets? Do I think it's gonna go down there? You feeling risky cause you're a little tipsy. I'm not gonna lie. You vexed cause the best fits. No, I don't think it's just going that far. Speed down. Oh, this is a 15-minute gap too, bro. Yeah. This just seems like the middle of some dumb shit. On June 18th. I feel you. Okay. Damn, it just hit this. It didn't even hit the 5 minute, and it's just gonna do that to me. Word. This is a fixed 2-1. Honestly, I usually go to like lows and stuff, but like I don't know what's going on today. I might be on the wrong side, and that whole bearish drop there was just a nice little fake out or something, but maybe not. Who knows? We're just gonna stick through this trade though. Jiggle it wrong. Jiggle it. See, I don't even like that. Now let me see what you do. What you know? Let it show. So let it go. See, and that's why I didn't even bother with the blueberry. the Blueberry is a 25K account, so I tend to take more like confident trades, I guess. And it's like not in the best spot right now to be playing around. But she want that stylish man. Come here, mama. Yeah, 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 yeah. 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 So you can touch your toes. You can, man. Yeah, once you kill it on the dance floor. Yeah, once you kill it on the dance floor. Ooh, that's my vibe. Mm-hmm. Engine roaring, green lights orange, street signs flying by. Fresh meat and sheep pick eating. I got butterflies. That's the biggest type of your life. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I could tap into the voice chat. Slow it down. It seems like I'm gonna get cooked because yes, it doesn't seem like this short was real. It seems, and I actually like watch out for that when that market open dumps. I watch out for that to be like a bigger fake out, and the real move is the other way. But I'm not about to act like some high side king. If I knew it was going long, I'd have went long. You feel me? Literally. And my strategy be off at 10 o'clock. This is wild. That's happened at 10, I guess. Don't want this night to go over. But we about to get cooked in our trade on live stream. And that's all right because I know what the risk was. On the first night. Oh, there you are. Hold on, y'all. I'm pausing the music. We finna talk to Husky for a little bit. Hopefully, I can put it on speaker. Yep.
Yo, what's up, brother?
What's good?
Oh man, no. So today, be very, very careful because Trump is in the Oval Office all day, signing a ton of shit and talking to media for like the next 5 hours straight. So he's gonna say shit while he's doing these signings, and we're gonna see fucking dumb movement happen in both directions.
Yeah. So everybody's waiting. Okay.
Everybody's waiting. If you look at my Discord, look at what Carly posted. Right, that's JD. Look what he posted about the delta chart. You won't understand the delta chart. Just look at the number he's talking about. Just focus on those numbers to see if those things can like hold and shit. Because that's like he's like he does all he trades is data. He doesn't even look at candlesticks.
Oh shit, that's crazy.
Yeah. So just paying attention to that. That's what's happening today. June 18th is quad witching, and there's a lot of people right now that are not gonna short the market. Every dump is gonna get pulled up because they want the stock market at all-time highs for SpaceX. And OpenAI apparently in the week it's supposed to be releasing something really, really big. And if OpenAI does that, along with the SpaceX IPO, you could see a push like never seen before.
Right. Damn. Okay, yeah. Well, being that I'm in so much drawdown of this trade, I might just wait for the rest of the day then. Or like sit today out damn.
So what I would suggest is right now I would think the safe play right now is gold. Gold currently is the safest play is looking at gold right now while all this stuff is going on. That's why we look at a few things, 2-3 different things, right? Because when days like Trump is doing shit like today, we go look at gold instead of looking at Q, unless you have like a peak entry like set up, right?
Yeah.
You just kind of like see what the market's doing and then you go from there.
Right.
Right now, I wouldn't even like personally look at any trade until about 17 minutes, just purely because she's trying to like, okay, I'm looking at it right now. So that big dump just now that we had,
Yeah.
one didn't work. She went and hit Monday's high.
Yeah.
And then hit Monday's high and then popped. And then let me look under the Monday's high. There's a 15-minute right there. Oh yeah, there's a fucking 15-minute right there.
At Monday's high?
That's funny. Yeah, right below Monday's high, there's a 15 zone that we've just come into. Capped it at 10:15. We came down there. We had this new 30-minute candle open up. The new 30-minute candle started to pull all the way down as well, and just moved. It's basically holding right now.
Oh yeah, I see the zone. Okay.
Right. So what my suggestion would be: wait for the next 15 minutes to see where it closes. Does it close underneath that daily or above that daily? If it closes above that daily, possibility that they're just going to take this shit up all the way to Tuesday's high. And if you can get that trade, I would say that's a good about a 90-point trade.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at the setup breakdown, trying to see if there's a clean setup. Yeah, there is actually. It's a 9-point stop for a 90-point return. So it's about a 10-to-1 trade.
Yeah. Which that was off the 15-minute zone you said, right?
Off the 15, it's from back in Tuesday at 3:30 in the afternoon. No, 3:15. 3:15 in the afternoon, Tuesday.
Oh yeah, I see. All right, but I was making sure.
Yeah, so there's a lot of shit to be careful of today. I would just play it as safe as you can. Like, one of the things that I will always go over with you, kid, is right, that one thing that I told you as being a risk manager all these years. That's my thing on how I approach everything.
Yeah.
And another thing I'll tell you is this really important, like, good thing that I heard a long time ago, and I fucking believe it's very, very fucking day, is go slow when the markets can't decide, and go heavy when everything knows a direction. When you see everything clearly, fucking all right, that's when you go your fucking 3, 4, or 5 micros.
Yeah.
And when it's doing dumb shit, like, just put one on there. Just put one on there. Like, feel it out. Like, you gotta feel it out first before you start really, really messing with it.
Yeah. No, I feel that.
Right? Go heavier on the days where everything's lining up, and on the days where, you know, nothing's kind of sure, like today where it's being fucking really weird, you kind of go a little smaller. You kind of tone down your risk, and then you maybe play a micro, and maybe you play another micro again. You're like, you know what? I like this. It's moving. I see it now. I can see it now. Okay, I'm feeling good. Let me go to 2.
No, I feel that.
Like, play with that a little bit.
Yeah, I feel that.
Oh, fuck it. Come on, buddy. Man, this shit's like down here. Fucking, it's like to go in the woods himself. Little asshole just like went down, and I'm like, get your ass back up here, please.
My cheese is killing me too. You see, I took my L already, but Husky's here gracing us with the knowledge to know to be hesitant today. So,
yeah, to be just careful. Just don't even hesitate. Trust your strategy. Trust the systems. But it's a day where, you know, maybe the lower. It's one of those days when we see movements like these. That's the day we go, you know what? Let's lower our risk down a little bit. Let's take it a little bit easy.
I feel that.
Let's not go fucking dumb with that. Because, like, I'm leaving it. I wish I could stay here on the new hourly open, but 11 o'clock, me and the wife here, we're heading out. We're going home, and it's like a fucking 5-hour drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that same hourly zone that we wrote. Oh my god. Oh my god, kid. Look at the 15-minute zone. Fuck me. Look at the 15-minute zone at 9:15. Look what they fucking did. Fucking dumbasses.
9:15 on what, Tuesday?
Yeah, today. Like before the big dump.
I mean, I see. Are you talking about that green candle? I guess, yeah.
The last green candle
Yeah.
was a big fucking dump. They came right into it.
See, I just did
the remaining orders that were sitting there.
Yeah, I just didn't know you'd use it like that too, because that's a big zone to me.
That's a big zone, and that's where I would kind of like, how wide is it? How many points is it?
Like, hold on. Like 24.
24, right? So that's per micro. That's a $48 risk. What
Okay,
I would
not
kind of
bad.
do in a situation like that is, you could use those, but what I would do is, right, I have like in my mind, I for all these years, I still never risked more than $100 a trade after all these years.
Where?
I would be like, okay, it's 24 point stop. That means if I point extra just to be outside the zone, that's 25. That's a $50 risk, right?
Right.
On a $50 risk, I'm like, okay, I'm okay losing $100 if this isn't gonna work.
Right.
So that's where I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw in 2 micros. So if I do lose, it's $100 loss, and then what I'll wait for is I will for a 50-point move down into profit.
Yeah.
Okay, so as soon as you get your 50-point move into profit, that's when you take 1 micro out. You cut 50% of your position because you've taken 50 points in profit, and you still have a 20-point stop with 1 micro. So if that trade doesn't work, you're gonna now lose $50 because your risk's been halved, and at the same time, already taken 100 off the table. So either way, you're gonna still win 50.
Right. I feel that.
Yeah, so they basically all they did right now is they basically extended it further. Instead of playing with the zone that was bi-level, it's doing these extended movements. So what that's telling me is that there's something going on in the options market right now that I need to go check. When it doesn't, when these options extended, like the zone that's by the level doesn't hit it, besides, I want to go all the way to the last fucking zone, and then that usually only ever happens. What I've noticed with the markets is when someone's fucking around with the options right now.
Right. Okay, well, at least that's good to know, I guess.
So I ask Carly to check the options, he's gonna be like, yep, some fucker's basically shorting the fuck out of it up there, or somebody's like just not willing to buy just you.
Yeah. Yeah, no, this shit.
Things like those people sign up for.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, because honestly, it just I look at the whole fair value gaps. I know you don't care for them, but there's a 15-minute one that is literally delivering off of. So like, I might just let this shit rock.
Yeah. What you could do is, right, with the fair value gaps, do you wait? Because I know what they are, but I've never fucked with them.
Yeah.
What I want to ask with that is, right, with the fair value gap, do you usually wait for closures? Is it a closure? You're waiting for a closure outside of the retesting?
I do. I do most of the time. Some people use just a limit on them, depending on like the situation. But I like to wait for confirmation to get out of the gap first.
Okay, so what if we did this, right? What if you kind of combine this? Here's a trick for you, maybe. Because I like that idea that you wait for the closures. What if you waited? What if there's a fair value gap? One of the zones that I'm going over with you passing through, you get the zone execution, wait for the fair value gap closure. And as soon as you get the fair value gap closure, maybe that's when you go, hey, this trade looks good. Let ride even further. Just add it as, because that is something you know, right?
Yeah.
You know that system. You know how it works.
Yeah.
Add that, have that on there, add that extra added confirmation.
I feel that for sure. I'm definitely doing that.
Because my plan isn't that, I just want you to know like my entire fucking setup just like that, right?
Yeah.
I want you to I want you to use whatever you're already using. use what I'm giving you. See if you can put them together and find a system that you understand better than anybody.
Yeah, facts.
Play with both of them together. Oh, come up here. All right, let's go. Stop chasing the fucking woodpecker. Get up here. Let's go. Sorry, the dog just had to chase it.
Nah, you good.
The woodpecker. I'm gonna try and go himself. Oh, there you go. Alright. Alright, kid. But good luck with this.
No, appreciate you, bro.
You're heading out. We'll go home.
Say less. Nah,
Yeah,
good. Safe travels back and
I dropped a message.
say it again. Say it
I dropped a
again.
message in my chat. I'll probably be home by like 3:30. So during power hour.
Bet.
If you want to chat, we'll go ahead. By the way, just without giving away any details or anything right now, you remember a conversation there's you, me, and another person have been having lately over the past couple of days?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a go from my end.
All right, bet. Say no more.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
You know, we big things coming, brother. Big.
Yeah, that's fire. Say less. We about to amp this shit up, y'all.
Yeah.
All right, my
I'm
boy.
gonna go get finished it because I gotta pack up my rifle and stuff as well right now.
All right,
Before I
bet.
head out. But I'll have to see
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you later then.
later. Okay, one.
All right, bet. You too, bro. That's my boy. Y'all, he's been trading for a while now, and he be hitting crazy trades, averages like 5 RR and stuff. So, and I'm no crazy 10-year trader yet, so I ain't about to act like I am. I'll learn from anybody willing to teach me. So yes, guys, we are learning still all the time. And I'm gonna be real. I wanted to take this trade again, but after the information he has relayed to me, and after I see all these fair value gaps going on, I would wait for it to make a decision personally. Oops, actually, I need to do that. Yeah, man, I don't know, man. Disrespecting this fiber. I think I would have entered right here if I could have. And even sometimes when I miss my entry, I just put a limit. Because like if I would have took the trade, I'd have been sitting in it anyway, you know? So I just like put a limit, and if it taps, I'm back in there. But I don't know if we'll be doing that today. How long is this? 9 hours or 1 hour, 9 minutes? I'm gonna be real, guys. I'm pretty sure my camera be dying. So I don't know what time it'll die at. I will switch it out quick. I'll tell you that. But I'm hoping it doesn't die. And I have no clue how long I'm about to stay and watch this. Oh, my fault, buddy. I think I just ran over my dog with the chair. My fault, buddy. You want to say hi to the live? Come. Say hi to the live. Guys, this is... Wow, you can't even see him. This is Azul. Oh, he not messing with y'all. Never mind. He not messing with y'all. You're not trying to say hi, bro? Oh, look what happened, bro. Is that a real move? Oh, man. It's about to get dumpy. Whew. Oh, 1 micro is risking 130 up there. That's not the craziest, y'all. Do I take a little 1-to-1? if I get a 15-minute inverse, I'll take it. And it doesn't seem like we will. So yeah, better inverse in the next 1 minute. Or frig that. Expecting the 1 minute. I'll enter on the close. One low risk, but I'll enter on the close. No cap. If it inverses this 15-minute gap. Yeah, Matrice is killing me too. I don't know if you're still here, but that would have been my entry up there, you know. And we lost. We got cooked up there. Let me actually. I didn't even take a trade on this account yet, so. Well, this is. I want to say we didn't inverse the gap. See, it's a little sleepy now, boy. Front run it, sell now. See, this is why I need y'all to comment. That's funny. You see where you'd have got me? You see where you'd have got me with that? That's funny. And see, look at the longs. If anything, I should just switch my bias, but no, I'm leaving this hoe. I don't think I'm about to trade this. We might be done, y'all. I don't like to trade. Wait, let's look at my. I don't like to trade when it's like when I'm just kind of like I still believe in the shorts a little bit, but like the way it's supposed to deliver is if it was real, it was supposed to be by now, and a lot better. So that makes me think maybe we're in longs. What time is it? 11. Oh, sometimes I think I'm gonna wait till like 11:30, and then yeah, I gotta plug my computer in. I hope you front run it. You took that trade? Did you sell it? Telling me to sell it. I hope you sold, Robert. We down like 270 something on the day. I don't know where the 70 something come. I guess I lost some from the trade earlier, right before, but 717, 715. I don't know how we really lost money on that, but maybe I risked a little more than I thought on the second trade. But again, I don't care about the risk on an eval as much. If this was funded, y'all would not be seeing me risk more than 200. I promise you. I promise you. I'm like, oh, see, here my other partner. Hold on, y'all. I'm not about to actually. Oh, yeah, I don't live. I got call back in like 10, man. Not 10. I don't know. I gonna call you back later, man. My bad. All right. We got 4 people in here again. Comment. Let me know what y'all on. Click. Oh, where my music at? I forgot about that. Respecting the 1 hour for value gap. Be careful. Oh, that's a breakaway gap too. Yeah, I guess. People study. Wow. YM was what we should have sold. I could see you the one. Say she won't be my wife when we're young. Let's enjoy all the time that we have with just us. Baby, we don't need to rush. Buy now. Robert, what strategy are you using? You sound like you seeing this whole move one way and you saying buy or sell. You just told me it's respecting. Oh, you meant a bullish gap though. Oh, okay. Long is good, back to highs. All right. My bad. See, I don't even like all these gaps. If we're going off fair value gaps, bro, and market structure, this doesn't look the best to me, especially on the 15-minute. We made a lower low or a higher low, a lower high, my fault. And this looked like a higher low. Just seems like we're making a little rangy range, you know? I'd want some, I mean, I guess if it makes, I don't know. I don't like it yet. Could be flipping though, you're right. It could be flipping very nicely. I just need some time to figure it out. I sold off the orb. Oh, you're tough. That's good then. ES or NQ? But I've been so distracted. Too much money on my mind is like my bills are attractive. Gotta double up at work. Well, we got throw it on my pet. For all the time that measure. Don't want them see me looking worried when I struggle. What the fuck?
I'm pulling lever. She like for you.
Appreciate you, my trees. Get that work in. Yeah. Until next time.
Make sure I'll figure it out, man.
We gonna figure it out, guy. Harmonizing.
That shit hard.
Appreciate it, man.
Tell that boy drop, man. Chat. Tell that boy drop.
We dropping soon, man. We dropping. No, not soon, but we not done dropping for life at all. Guy, I gotta get some day trading paper quick. They know. We gotta get this paper up quick. What all you know about this? This is Bram. See, we had one.
They could hear that, but obviously.
Yeah, they tell me they can hear it. I don't know how well, and I don't know like.
But they could hear it through the camera.
I think this is the mic.
The computer.
Yeah.
So they hearing this. They hearing you through this.
I think so.
Yeah, we gotta get your mic, cousin.
Get me a mic. I'm an audio expert.
Oh wait, we have.
I literally could do it better. Like, well, we only have one. I've actually said all the mics now.
So this how your boys are?
Nah. What's good, Brody? Free vocal music. Oh, you music? Oh, you do the music? You trade too? I might just get down wild. Think I need a dress. I don't want nothing less we got. Fuck. 750. Oh, that's I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I think this thing wants to go a lot more higher before it wants to go lower, if anything. But not a lot more higher, but I just think we're gonna. This is a range. This is definitely a range, and we're just gonna let it do its thing. We're doing our ES. Ooh, ES looks a lot more bearish. ES is very nice, or not very nice, but let's go, shot, another one. Everybody take a shot, everybody grab a cup, raise it high, raise it up, live it up. When you look at it, then she up and needs to get low. She gon' take it real slow. Like ready, set, go. Man. Oh, you just a music channel? My fault, bro. My fault. I make music too, though, so you still in the right place, for real, for real. All the music playing is mine. Me and my boys, or me alone. I trade too now, though, so this is what we live. We're not streaming the music. We're streaming the trading while playing music, but you know what I'm saying. But shout out to music people, man. That's my family, too. Well, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I might just take my L and go about my day because I don't think I'm trying to get crazy. I told y'all I didn't even like trading in the value area. I said that in the middle of this live, or in the not the middle. I said that in the beginning of this live, and this is exactly why. This typically, like, I'm adding this to my notes now for sure. Whenever we're in this value area close to the POC from yesterday or something, it's terrible. Love from India. That's fire. India in the house. Boop, boop, boop. We had VI in the house. India in the house. Robert, where you from? Where you from, Robert? ES and it never really went bearish, but put the fib on the 50-minute last. Too high and low bit. Good to see it's respecting. You said ES never really went bearish? Are you talking about high time frame? If you're talking about the high time frame, then yeah, I would still say we're bullish. I typically go with the high time frame. I'm mad I didn't again today, but it depends how you look at it, you know. I use a fib some on the 50-minute last too. I don't know. Let me see what you're saying, bro. I'll put the fib down and see what you're saying. Why would you say that's ES never really went bearish? Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. I think we're in a range. I'm just trying to figure it out. Yeah. But I was just saying in terms of the lower time frame, ES looked better than NQ, even off the 15-minute. But I would say this is most definitely some S&T play, you know. Yeah, crazy SMT stuff going on here. I don't want no smoke right now. Can't lie. Robert, where you from? Where you at? Husky was from Florida. Okay, so we have Florida, the VI, India. Stacking the guitar. Wow, there's some old music now. Whoa, it doesn't even tell me when the battery might die either. That seems a little fishy. Oh, and I didn't even turn on my light, y'all. I'm terrible. We're gonna get better. Don't worry. This is my second live ever. This is my second live. We're gonna get better. All right? We're gonna get better. Balling on the daily. Then you're gonna have to pay me. All right. I'm skipping this. Actually, I like this song. So I'm like talking to that kid up top. Talking about he gonna spin the block. I don't want my changing locks. I don't want my changing rocks. No keys, they nuts. And I got a time, I'm ready to show. Pick any beat and I'm ready to flow. And I'm giving them one and I'm letting them know. Call up my name and I'm ready to go. We signed to the Bucks. We stacking it tall. Up to we honest. That's my luck. Ain't giving a fuck. I'm just being honest. Fill up my pockets to pop like a register. No, the top of the chain. No missing. Oh my goodness. So being that we're so extended on the 1 hour. I don't know. Maybe I should. I mean, that's what I was gonna give it a break, because I think I don't really like what we're doing right now. I don't even think I'm coming back at lunch, to be honest. Sometimes I don't care for lunch session, but I'll show y'all how I watch. This is my other screen here. I've been inside. Yeah. This is how I'll go back and forth. This is I watch MQ and ES like this. So I kind of see both at all times. And then this is kind of how I look at my higher time frame. I watch YM too, just because they're kind of all correlated, if you notice. It's not perfect right now. It used to be perfect a little before, But if you look here, they're all kind of correlated, So, see, feel me? It's dipping at the same points, all of them. So I watch all three on the high time frame just to see. I don't really watch YM as hard, but just being that it looks like this on the hourly, and we could go into this fair value gap and all that, gives good excuse for longs. Plus, the 4 hour is still technically in bullish order flow to me. This was a little weird, but it's just a sweep. So either way, it's too much going on for me. So I will be probably leaving this alone. Yakuzan. That's how you say that. Where you at? Short and NQ after ES 500 swept previous day low sounds crazy. Fam, it could sound crazy to you, but it's been plenty days previous lowest. If it's a bearish day and the PM session goes down, you don't gotta, don't come in my chat saying sounds crazy, people talking crazy. Everybody has their own strategy, man. Everybody has their own strategy. Nobody's dipping on anyone's strategy. One day you'll be right and the next person will be wrong. And then one day the next person will be right and you'll be wrong. So nobody knows everything on these markets. Let's remember that, please. I don't know if you was talking to me or the other commenter, but hey, man. No need to get on somebody else's way of trading. I see people that, don't, the same way somebody says shorting NQ after ES swept previous day low sounds crazy. I know people that are going to wait for that same sweep that you're talking about, and it doesn't matter which way they're going. They're just looking for the reaction, so they'll still go short. You know, like. That's like me saying, like, you know, I'm done with that. Just, hey, man, no need to comment on anybody else's strategy. Oh, and Q high time for never went bearish. I'd agree. That's why, you know, I would say, yeah, I would agree with that. But being that this hourly had closed that low, or well, let's see, the 4 hour did quick. See, the 4 hour closed below Asia. I might have looked for that to go shorter still, but hey, but it hit previous day value low. So, but and keep it on bullshit since Sunday. I don't know. I hit Monday and Tuesday, so I guess it's like however you it goes for you. And my boy Yakuzan. I'm from Ukraine, actually. Tough. Ukraine in the building. Tough. And I appreciate you following me, bro. Do you trade? Like, comment. You trade? How does it go for you? You know, what do you use? You profitable? Share something. What about you, Robert? Let me know. I don't like that highlight the thing. There's nothing I'm ashamed to say. Step back and fade away. I'll make you some genuine art. You look ready. Paid they way. On a junkie, I make it heat and make that thing my style. I'll hold it down. I'm not gonna lie though, if this camera shuts off, there's a chance I just shut the live off. Because like I don't think I'll be trading. I'm watching the charts with y'all just in case I see something I like, but I'm gonna be honest. I'm actually not even watching in case I see something I like. I'm more so watching just to see what plays out because I'm curious. But no part of me is really interested in taking a trade right now. You on my side, yeah. Throw that to the right, yeah. Don't want no bad negative energy up in my right. We gonna march up on them. By my side, yeah. Trainers, plus metals, times. You're a platform that much easier to pass. You do not have any. Oh, what? What the fuck? I didn't come to Europe prop first. What prop first are those? What? That's fire. But yeah, bro, not yet profitable. We in the same place. I hope we get that profitability soon. I ain't even gonna lie. Couple payouts. You better than me. Maybe we should listen to you. But yeah, congrats on those couple payouts. Trading indices plus metals. Sometimes that's me too. Fire. And Europe, fire. Hey, comment some of those. Y'all see, I wasn't even watching the screen, right? Yeah, this is yeah. How they ever know they're gonna need you? Yeah, there she goes. There she goes. Yakuzan, you said the shorts, it look crazy, but it could be wrong still, but that would have been my short right there. That would have been my short. But such is life, man. I'm just watching it with y'all just to see what happens. But I know what it could sound crazy at, but hear my explanation now. Because being that you can see my actual screen here, we swept this level, previous day low, and then we had a previous Asia low down here. That's equal lows, my guys. Not saying it can't go back up, but saying that it can't go back down is also like, we don't know. It can't. Very bearish. Very, very bearish the whole night, you know? Except for NQ. Me shorting NQ was crazy, but we had a sweep, crazy sweep. So when we see stuff like that, I like the shorts. I'm not saying it's going to smack a roodle, but it's not the craziest play in the world. And look, we're in profit. This would have been our trade. Everybody saw me trying to take his trade. So, hey, man. This is why one of my rules, I was telling y'all how I would like, I don't care if I miss my entry sometimes. I'll just put a limit wherever my entry was supposed to be and just neglect the rest, because if I would have entered during my entry, chances are I would have been in my trade anyway at that time. So if it comes back up to my entry and I wouldn't do anything if I was in the trade already, why not just re-enter as if I'm in the trade already? That's how I look at it. Now, sometimes it backfires and I wish I didn't do it, but most of the time I'll do it. Like, I didn't take this trade because Husky told me it's like more hesitant. You know, I'd rather be on the hesitation side of trading, you know, but it looks like we would have been cooking today for sure. FTMO and funding pips. Oh yeah, I definitely heard of them. But unfortunately, the U.S. prop firms asked European prop firms to ban U.S. citizen guys because U.S. prop firm is crazy. But we can request something. What? 100K payout? I don't even. You know, I never really like looked up FTMO and funding pips like myself to see if I should get those accounts. I've heard of the names, but I always assumed that U.S. people could use them. So are you saying U.S. people can't use them at all? Like, if that's the case, that's wild. Because I'm sure a lot of people are getting VPNs and just, that's wild. Absolutely wild. I might need to go look at them. I'm over here on this eval, but I like no consistency. Like my prop firm, Take Profit Trader, I don't even know their payout cap. I don't really mind payout caps, but it's good prop firm, no consistency, stuff like that. This is now my second live. I'm taking 2 L's. I try and be more disciplined. Maybe I should have took the second trade. Who knows? But I'm just glad I'm showing the process to y'all. Take me to my happy place. Well, at this point, I'm not really like worried about it hitting or not. Like, we would have been right. We'd have at least been break even on, you know. Y'all see me just stop talking. I'm looking to see if I want to take a 5-minute gap entry, but it's not making right now. Yeah. What are you trying to? What are you trying to sign up with those? You have to press I am not US. Damn. Damn, that's actually wild. I don't get why the US doesn't like almost copy that, but wow. You see? Yeah, we're leaving this alone, guys. This is wild. Why, like, how is it? Like, we're just pushing right. Oh, did we swept this low and just push like that? I don't even know if this trade would have hit TP the way it's moving. Yeah, guys. I might have took that 5-minute gap, but I think I will leave it alone. What? You? It reversed like that? Yeah, guys. All right, we're done. We're done. KJ officially doesn't really know what's going on. We heard Husky talk earlier. Maybe this has to do with whatever Husky was talking about. But yes, my guy Yakuzan, appreciate you stopping in. Be easy and see you next time. I don't know who else is watching, but I appreciate y'all coming if you're watching right now, because I'm low-key about to end this live. My camera probably will die soon. We've been on stream for an hour and 40 minutes, so good job. And I think I charged my camera battery better, so that's probably why. But either way, like, comment, subscribe. Next week, I will be back here. I got a Discord, too, with people like Husky, Yakuzan, and Robert. I don't know if y'all still in, but join the Discord, man. Matrice, I know you probably left, but join the Discord. Y'all will enjoy it. People just like us, trying to learn, trying to be profitable, trying to trade. Good vibes. I only like good vibes. I don't like the fake, ungenuine, the lying. I don't do any of that stuff. The fake posts, the fake P&Ls, the fake all that. No, we're trying to get freedom from trading, literally. And I'm just showing my process, sharing my screen, being as transparent as possible. That's really all. So if y'all enjoyed, man, tap in some more. I'm going to be live next week. Again, like, comment, subscribe. My Discord, my Instagram is KYD_ACE. I don't know if you follow me, but if you don't, follow up, because I will not be stopping and I will be getting rich trading. So, ooh, we back to the entry. Do we enter? Nah, but yeah. It's your boy Kid. Y'all be good. Have a good day. I have to learn how to end this stream a little easier because I got to find a... Oh, it's right there. Yeah. All right. Y'all be easy.